Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk through how to reset keyboard on iPhone. The first thing you do is open up your settings, then from this search bar here, type keyboard, then choose keyboard under general, and here we have keyboard feedback, so you can decide to put on the sound or not, depends on you. Then you go all the way back, then choose keyboard general, and here we have keyboard. So you have all keyboards, you have all the options here, turn off and turn on the ones you want depending on your preference. So we have auto capitalization, auto correction, check spelling, enable caps lock, predictive, smart punctuation, slide to type, delete, slide to the shortcut. You can also enable dictation or auto punctuation. You can also enable memoji stickers or turn it off. And then you also have the option for text replacement, one-handed keyboard. You want it left or right, you can turn it on like that. Text replacement, you can do that too. Then keyboard, you can change the keyboard from QWERTY to ASCII to QWERTY to Dovrak. Then you can also decide to add new keyboard here by choosing the one you want, and it's as simple as that. So with all these options, you'll be able to reset your keyboard on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe for more. Thanks.